DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. YouTube. Wanna see what we are doing with, you know? The Dan is back in the lab. Yes, man. You know, so when I lab, we are dealing with, you know, we not play with the road, you know. Yeah, we there with another mad reaction. Another mad reaction, another sick reaction. Never. Hey, you don't know things that you see me. We there around people and you see what we are dealing with today, no man. Yeah, we there with none of that Likkle Vybz and Vybz Kartel, the world boss. They want to name me BREDDA. You see me? We see a lot of preview on this on social media, you know. We've been away for the full song and the full video drop, you know. You see me and say, yes, me need to check it out and hear what go on. We have a little preview, we have a little snippet here and there, but we want to hear the full blood clean tune gang. You see me? Because me not lie, the beat, this so nice. The freaking little thing there. The little snippet so nice. You see me? The verse sound like you wicked, look like a dog. The man, yeah, going crazy. So want the full thing and see the visuals and everything, gang. You see me? And say, So before jumping, I make sure you like and subscribe because you tune into the latest reaction channel on YouTube. I want to take a little break, but there again, you know. I feel a place, you know. Yes, man. I'm tired to see with face, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man. 2026, you know, I'm play with them. That's it. Yes. So, yo, hit like and subscribe when I jump right now. Likkle Vybz, Vybz Kartel. My brother. Let's get it.
Yo, DJ 30. You wanna end up no loyalty over royalty. Yo, fix up it. Yo,
the bumbo club beater. You see the youth I produce? Nah, them on the golf courts. Yes, man. Living life. Yes, like we should. I try cigar dog a bit. With the sweater tie around him shoulder like a Carlton. And you got a little Addy over here saying them polo. You see me and say when I go, yes, live life, get a youth. Live life. Yes, you live life, man. Enough people don't want to see you live life. They want to call and say you poor and up to. But that's certain if he said. Yeah, so your daddy before you, if he set that way for you. So when you come up, life not as hard. You see me, people want to hate my youth when youth have things through them parents and want to say, yo, youth spoil and you come from uptown and all these things. But that is the way life is supposed to be. Talk true. Stop bad mind. You see me, just because your parents have set away for you, don't bad mind that youth will feed them parents set away for them. Yes, man, clean up on no heart, man. Blood clean. And I say, yo, we not listen to youth, I know, because youth, I know, they no go on. They no find no struggle, them spoiling, grow with things and gold spoon in their mouth. Everybody feel ball in gold spoon in them blood. God never put up on earth to suffer. No. So don't hate the youth because him father do what him supposed to do. You see me and say, just make sure you say you do what you fed up for your youth. You see me and say, if your parents never do it for you. Yes, that's how you think. So that's how I pray. We not pray what our parents never do for we. We'll do a pray what we can do for ourselves and what we can do for our kids coming. Yes. All right. But yeah, big up to them, man. Them live life. Big up to Kartel set things in youth as a father should. You see me? Yes, and if you don't say things in your youth, you feel as a father. Big man thing. We not take back with chat. But yeah, Likkle Vybz, Vybz Kartel, brother. Run it.
Yo, DJ 30.
Yes.
You wanna end up no loyalty over royalty. Yo, fix up it.
Russian. Russian producers and Russian producers. Is it? Mr. Russian, if you don't really think I'm producer beat, if you hear me, he went crazy.
Like me no know me on a vice. Bad bitch in the car, she have my on a bike. If you see me in a traffic, then you know I'm mine. Me no feel if you touch the pedal, then I show overdrive. When I follow speed limit, so we overdrive. Every day in the studio that I
need girl say me sound sweet. Like me no know me on a vice. Hey, the boy of you see, you know. The boy of you, boys and girl say me sound sweet. Like me no know me on a vice. Every day, yeah, show overdrive. Dog, I say, girl, I say, me know. I mean, you know, I'm Likkle Vybz. I mean, I do son of Kartel, you know. Me know me full of lyrics and me full of style. You don't tell me nothing new, mama. You can't gas me up. I want you. You can't gas me up. Me know. I am the shit. Yes.
like me no know me on a vice. Bad bitch in the car, she have my on a bike. If you see me in a traffic, then you know.
Bad bitch in the car, you know what she do? You know what she do?
Bad bitch in the car, she have my on a bike. If you see me in a traffic, then you know I'm mine. Me no feel if you touch the pedal, then I show overdrive. When I follow speed limit, so we overdrive. Every day in the studio, that I overnight.
food. Stove a light up, you what I want you. I want we say big food and stove a light up. We not talk about in the kitchen. We not talk about no blood clean. Like we not talk about no mackerel and rice, even though I like mackerel and rice. Big shout out to the team boom. Hey, I want you. The man not talk no mackerel and rice. And when he say stove a life, he not talk about no stove. The man not talk about the stew there. They man cook up some sitting, cook up some sauce. I want to no go on.
Follow speed limit so we overdrive. Every day in the studio that I overnight.
Yeah.
Big food drop down in the stove light. Shout out like a addy that was so like.
Oh, you
I'm
mean?
a brother that kill a pussy if him this dog. I'm a brother that get the money split it in half. I'm a brother that hustle can we have it rich fast. I'm a brother that
But clean, my yo, no nice like that, dog. You're rich and your brother rich too. And you can't shout man say shout out my little brother Addy. We so alike. He man say we so alike. He money not thinking you know. He man say their money sour. Them father set it away so their money sour. Hey money not think you they sour. Go.
I'm a brother that kill a
Lord,
pussy if
people on the part there, me like it. Shout out, look at it.
we no follow speed limit so we overdrive. Every day in the studio that I overnight. Big food drop down in the stove light. Shout out like a addy that was so alive. I'm a brother that kill a pussy if him this dog. I'm a brother that get the money split it in half. I'm a brother that hustle can we have it rich fast. I'm a brother that
Man
could
say
do
get the
bad
money split it in half. I'm a brother that we share everything. I want to man. Yes, man, I saw everything for search. Big up my brother too. Yes, my brother them. Sorry. Big up my brother them. Yes, you don't know yourself. Yeah, man. Big up on that's how brothers live. We're supposed to make money together. You see me rise together. You see how people talk about your family and business don't mix and baby. Don't make people tell you that fuckery. You see me, your family if you do business with, but you know some people mind not the you know. Some people bad mind and you rate so. Hey, sometimes you know where, but the real truth, you're supposed to work with the family and keep the wealth in the family, keep the money circulating. That's how people stay wealthy. Huh? Go tell that to blood cleat, who share Jeff Bezos or anything, you have money and circulating in the family. Go so ask at the Walmart family. The money staying in them family. I want to go Walgreens and go. I want to know, man. Learn something, man. Your family supposed to do it. They only tell black people them thing they for hold on the back. You see me, so I go business with some stranger and some outsiders, and that's how the wealth won't stay in the family. Why you not go ask the royalties? If that, hey, you know, I'm not time for school, you know, but go on to.
I'm a brother that could do bad mind which part. I'm a
Can't
brother
bad mind.
Bust down every wristwatch. I'm a brother that you win, so me win, dog. I'm a brother that
You win, so me win that. You see, I don't know if people are pre like that, you know. Everybody want to be the man. They want to say, yo, me not go work with him, you know, because he might feel like he might win, he might lead, he might way. Bro, if you win, me win. We not one circle, I want to you. Me not understand how some people bad man, or me see somebody else winning, that is inspiration for me. It keep me motivated. Yes, it keep my spirits up. Me don't know, you know, see people are win now no feel down. How that work? What kind of spirit you have? What kind of mind you have? Come on now.
so we live dark. I'm a brother that. So we have to live large. I'm a son, but we roll like I'm a brother that. Girl, I lick my balls till it lighter than a feather. I'm 250 on my wrist.
And big up Addy, your man say I'm a son, but we roll like our brother that. You have some father out there, them bad mind, them youth. You see me through the youth, I get certain opportunities when they not get them bad mind and youth. Or then see them youth I grow big and strong, so them fear them youth. You see me and say, yes man, so big up to Addy. Addy say, yo, I'm a son, but we roll like I'm a brother that. Nah, bad mind, his son, he knows his son is a younger version of him. So when his son and him win, him a win too. You see me and say, and that's no fathers to start treating, yo, me I tell you now, hey, we can't fix the world now one day, but hey, some people fuck about it, so them stay. You see me?
I'm a brother that bust down every wristwatch. I'm a brother that you win, so me win, dog. I'm a brother that every day, so we live large. I'm a brother that, so we have to live large. I'm a son, but we roll like I'm a brother that. Girl, I lick my balls till it lighter than a feather. I'm 250 on my wrist, I no begging, so I'm a cheddar that. But we could have never rat, trouble through the tesseract.
250 pound rigs. I no beggings. I'm a cheddar that. I work feet and I beg feet. Blows that. Big up to man.
I'm 250 on my wrist, I no begging, so I'm a cheddar that. But we could have never rat, trouble through the tesseract. Victory every day, my chain, I shake too.
250 pound wrist, I no beggings. I'm a cheddar that. But we could have never rat. Hey, yo, hey, come on.
The tesseract, victory every day, my chain, I shake too. My chest and I watch your girl, me still I walk me hard. That door they never lock. Now have my rotten teeth, but every minute is another block. Gold this or silver this or hungry thing them sell a rock. Ooh. Big up De La Vega, big up Shelter.
Yeah, them man say, yo, everywhere you look, Not guaranteed, but everywhere you look at plaque, gold there, so silver there, so the only thing them sell a rock, you know, while them over say a bad man and a watch we, a rock them a sell. You want to, hey.
Big up De La Vega, big up Shelter Rock. No idlers, no day, hustle never stop. Travel everywhere, me go all country when no make it. Bumbo wall no a figure make a nether map.
Man say, yo, no eyeglass no there, hustle never stop. I wanna no feel like say we doing something. You see me, if we not work at a job or we not hustle, we are build for we own a sitting. Yes, man. Me a boy, me never stop trying. No. Ask anybody, you know, me do everything from blood pleat, from construction to have my own clothing store, to have my own tech repair company, to me sell health insurance, to me do work 9 to 5. And we not give up, you know. And when we stumble and fail, we not give up, you know. People are watching and hope for we fail. I'm going to sit down and hope forever, because guess what? We're going to shame bad man eventually, you know. The door half a fly now. The blessing I got. Go on.
Hustle never stop. Travel everywhere, me go all country when no make it. Bumbo wall no a figure make a nether map. Me could grudge me brother dog, never that.
Never.
Hustle for me cheddar anywhere that.
Couldn't judge my brother dog. Never that. I want to tell you, like I said before, when your brother when you went to, I want to tell you, man. You see me? I want to no man. I want to. Yeah, I mean, that's not going to.
No idlers, no day, hustle never stop. Travel everywhere, me go all country when no make it. Bumbo wall no a figure make a nether map. Me could grudge me brother dog, never that. Hustle for me cheddar anywhere that. Kill a pussy hole, him drink the bad mind soup before him kill him brother. Him should have made and say, I'm a brother.
Kill the pussy hole, him drink the bad mind soup. You see, from you drink the bad mind soup, you feel dead, you know. From you drink the bad mind soup, you feel dead. And you feel dead bad too. I want to you. Before you kill a virgin and pray a virgin, you feel a priest say, yo, my brother that, you know. I'm a brother that him win me win too. I want to.
Anywhere that. Kill a pussy hole, him drink the bad mind soup before him kill him brother. Him should have made and say, I'm a brother that kill a pussy if him this dark. I'm a brother that get the money split it in half. I'm a brother that also come with happy rich fast. I'm a brother that could the bad mind rich part. I'm a brother that bust down every wristwatch. I'm a brother that you win some me win dog. I'm a brother that every
you win some me win dog. Hey.
Yes, so we live dog. I'm a brother that so we have to live large.
You have to live large. Big up like Addy, you my brother that. Man say we sour like. You man say their money not thinking with it sour. What is that? That is my money you're smelling. I want to you. Yeah, big up the Vybz Kartel. You them. Look at the Likkle Vybz. Vybz Kartel, world boss. We up on the damn self. I did that. Me not lie. Me up like to see that. Yeah, man, and so far and son for you live life and I build them empire, man. I want to you, man. Yeah, everybody always say name of is stronger. You see me? Big up the Palmers. You see me and say, hopefully I saw one day I make my last name big, you know. Yes, man. Yes, and someone say things in my youth, them and you make little, you know, make life a little easier. You see me and say, yes, man. So if you are pre for you, if you said certain things so life can ease up on your youth, them and the ones that comes after you. You see, some man just pre-selfish for themselves. You see me and say, yes, yeah, you can't pre like that. You have said certain things. You see me and that want to do. You see me? Yes, man, gang. You see me and all of the youth, them they never give up. You can do it too. You see me, you see Vybz Kartel do, you can do it too. You see me, you see Shaggy, Shampa, you see any dancer, you see Skipper, you see Jammer, you see what. You can do it too. Don't give up. You see me, I know say, yo, I know it's harder said, it's easier said than done. But guess what? It can be done. At the end of the day, it can be done. You see me, your road might be a little, your journey might take a little longer. It might be a little rougher. But you can get through it. You see me? You can get through it. You see me, I say, just keep going. Don't watch your people, I say. You don't watch friends, don't watch family. They might talk behind the back regardless. But you can always have people supporting you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Because look at me, look how long I do YouTube. I have friends and family that support me that much. You know, I'm mostly strangers. You see me support me thing. You see some people from some road and one part. I talk about, yo, them they are Africa. Then they are Russia. Then they are Canada. I say, yo, look here. And here they are ball. I say, yo, when you have strangers around the world, bro, I message you. I say, yo, keep going, dog. Don't give up. That's why last year, I kind of disappointed myself, because last year, I wasn't on the grind as much. So I kind of let down some people that actually believe me, because you look for support from over here, and you look for support from over here, so when you not see the support in front of you. You see me, I say? And that if you just focus on the positive, don't pre negative. You see me? And don't pre who not support you. Just focus on who is or are supporting you. You see me? And keep going. You don't know. Your boy Jambisco. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.